GTP Kids! Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about colors and color mixing. So we have three colors to start: yellow, red, blue. But when we are done, we will have 6 colors. So we are going to start with yellow. Great job! We are going to do red. Wow, great! And blue. So yellow, red and blue are what we call primary colors, 3 primary colors, which means all other colors are made from those 3 colors. Secondary colors are what we get when we mix 2 primary colors. If we take some yellow and we add some red, mix. Wow, I am gonna mix all that colors together. Do you see the new color? Now we have orange. Yellow. Add red. Clean off my brush. Make orange. Wow, great! So then if we take yellow, add blue, mix. Let's see. Do you see the color? It's changed to wow, green. Yellow. Add. Clean off my brush again. Blue. Yellow, blue. Mix green. So now we are going to mix red and blue. See what color we get when we mix those. Mix. Do you see that? When we mix red and blue, we get purple. Red. Add blue. Make purple.
Wow!
Yellow, red, make orange. Wow. Yellow, blue, make green. Great job! Red, blue, make purple. Red, yellow, blue are our primary colors, and when we mix 2 primary color, we get a secondary color. Great job! Take some of our paint. Now clean off my brush. Wow! Orange. Clean off my brush again. Yellow. Clean off my brush. Green. Make sure we keep our brush clean. Blue. Clean off my brush again. Purple. Make sure we keep our brush clean, and those are also the color of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Great job! I had a lot of fun doing color mixing. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Subscribe for more videos.